Bipin Sharma Biology Tutorials. In this video, I am going to tell you about the male reproductive system of cockroach. So firstly, हम बात करेंगे कुछ important points के बारे में regarding the male reproductive system, and after that we will be talking about the diagram, the path, and the important organs which are associated with the male reproductive events. So सबसे पहले जो बात आती है वो है dioecious nature of cockroach. So जब हम बात करते हैं reproductive systems की, तो ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है वो यूनिसेक्सुअल है या बाइसेक्सुअल. सो डायोशियस सिंपली मींस दैट इट इज यूनिसेक्सुअल. अब मैं आपको याद करने का एक तरीका बताता हूं. डायोशियस, ओके, डाई मींस टू. इट मींस दैट टू इंडिविजुअल्स will be carrying the reproductive characters. Two individual means one will be male, one will be female. Di means two. And in case of monoecious, mono means one, यानी कि एक ही इंडिविजुअल में दोनों कैरेक्टर्स होंगे. So in monoecious, mono means one, so only one individual will be having both the characters, male as well as female. So monoecious means bisexual. Dioecious means two, यानी कि one male, one female, so they will be unisexual each. So similarly, यहाँ पर अगर कॉकरोच डायोशियस है, इसका मतलब हमें मेल और फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम अलग से पढ़ना होगा बिकॉज दे आर सेपरेट. ओके, सो द सेक्सेस आर सेपरेट इन केस ऑफ कॉकरोच. नाउ द सेगमेंट्स. ओके, वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट द सेगमेंट्स, हेड, थोरैक्स एंड एब्डोमेन. तो उनके जो सेगमेंट्स होते हैं, सेगमेंट नंबर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज द डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर रीजन. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव मेंशन्ड दोस नंबर्स एट अ पर्टिकुलर साइट. फॉर एग्जांपल, द मेन reproductive organ in any of the individual which is multicellular या फिर जिसमें organ level of organization है, उसमें कौन होता है? That is testis, because testis are the primary sex organs which are responsible for the secretion or the synthesis of sperms. Okay, so 4th से 6th segment में जो होगा, 4 to 6 segments will be having the testis. So if you will draw the structure of cockroach segment over here, then these are the testes. So they will be present in 4th to 6th segment. Okay, 4th से 6th segment के बीच में ये जो testis है ये होगी present. Now 6 to 7 segment में कौन present होगा? 6 to 7 segment में एक और चीज present होगी, that is called as the mushroom glands, which are very essential and accessory organ for the male reproductive system of cockroach. So you have to understand two important things. The very first thing is testes will be present on the lateral side of the body of cockroach on segment 4th to 6th, and just after that, क्योंकि 4 से 6 हो चुके हैं, तो 6 के बाद 6 से 7 में आपका प्रेजेंट होगा मशरूम ग्लैंड्स which is accessory sex organ. Okay, so this is accessory sex organ, this is primary sex organ, that is testes, which will be present on the lateral side. जाहिर सी बात है, यहाँ पर आप चेक कर सकते हैं lateral side पे ही ये present है, right? After that, the external genitalia. The external genitalia will be male gonapophysis. Okay, it's gonapophysis. Okay, so male gonapophysis या फिर आप बोल सकते हैं phelomere will be the external genitalia in case of cockroach. So आपसे डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन ये पूछा जा सकता है कि external genitalia in case of male reproductive system of cockroach is what? So it will be phelomere or it will be the male gonapophysis. What is the function of this male gonapophysis? This is chitinous in nature. Chitin आप सबने सुना होगा. Chitin क्या बनाता है? मैं आपको कुछ questions बताता हूँ which are already asked in the examination. The very first and the most important thing about chitin which is asked is the fungal cell wall. The cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. I hope you know that very well. Second important thing is the exoskeleton of insects or the crustaceans. वो भी chitin का बनता है. So exoskeleton में भी ये बनाता है. The third important thing is phelomere or the male gonapophysis is also chitinous in nature. That is the third point, and it surrounds this gonophore. Okay, male gonophore यहाँ पर present होता है which is a small opening, and that male gonophore is surrounded by the male gonapophysis. Okay, or phelomere. And there are different kind of phelomere which I have not drawn over here. There is left phelomere, okay, which will be present on this side. There is right phelomere, there is ventral phelomere. So वो क्या करते हैं, अलग अलग से present होते हैं which surrounds the male gonophore. so they provide protection because chitin is very tough in nature. Okay, right? So वो क्या करता है, protection provide करता है. And then spermatophores. Now a word should be coming in your mind, that is the sperms. So you are correct, it is related to sperm. The sperm are not released in the form of a single sperm. They are formed in the form they are present in the form of a bunch or the bundle. उस bundle को हम बोलते हैं spermatophore. So the sperms will be produced in testes, that's for sure. After that they will be following this path. This is the vas deferens. Alright. So before going to ejaculatory duct, ये कहाँ पे जाएगी, ये जाएगी seminal vesicle में, and after that it will be stored in the seminal vesicle. So it is not stored that easily. ये क्या करते हैं, एक bunch बना लेते हैं. For example, there are 100 of sperms. Let's consider that. So they will not be present like this. Okay, they will form a bunch, a bundle of 100 of sperms, and this bunch, this bundle-like structure is called as the spermatophore, which will be released at the time of copulation. All right. So there are some points which you must remember because question yahin se aayega. This is just to understand, right? No question will be asked from this region, and there are some points which are important, which I will surely tell you now. लेकिन question वहीं से आएंगे. So the very first thing is cockroach is dioecious. I hope that is clear. Testes will be present on the lateral side of segment number 4th to 6th. In 6 to 7 segment, mushroom glands are present, which are accessory organs. After that, external genitalia will be represented by the male gonadophysis or the phelomere. Phelomeres are also different: left phelomere, right phelomere, and ventral phelomere, which are chitinous in nature. And since they are chitinous, they are very tough, so they are used to provide the protection. Thus, they surround the male gonopore. After that, spermatophores are nothing but the bundle or the bunch of sperms which is stored in the seminal vesicle. Now let's come to the diagram. Okay, let's erase all the stuff so that it will be clear. कुछ इस तरीके की होती है cockroach की testes. So there will be like 3 different lobes in NCERT. You have to see the diagram very very carefully. अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे तो ही आपको 3 lobes दिखाई देंगे. So there is testis like this, and now you know in what particular segments it is present. It is present on the lateral side in 4 to 6 segment. After that, there is a pipe like structure which is arised from the testis, which will carry the sperms from testis to some other destination. क्योंकि अब जाहिर सी बात है, copulation के time पे the sperms must be released, so they follow a path. So the very first link of testis with the other organs is vas deferens. Okay, all right. So this is the vas deferens from both the testes. ये follow करते हुए the vas deferens will be opening into the ejaculatory duct, but it will not directly open into ejaculatory duct. We have listen to a thing कि यहाँ पर जो है पहले storage होगी. So the vas deferens will lead the sperms to the seminal vesicle. All right, this whole structure is seminal vesicle, which is having 2 different type of tubules. Okay, which is shown in NCERT. There are some small tubules like this at the center, which are present over here. These are the small tubules, and after that, surrounding those small tubules, there are some large tubules like this. All right, this ones. So यहाँ पर क्या है? Small tubules present है at the center, and after that some large tubules are present. उसके ऊपर there is a cap-like structure called as the phallic gland. This one. Okay, but there is no discussion of phallic gland in NCERT. So let's leave this. यहाँ पर हम बात कर रहे हैं seminal vesicle की, in which the sperms are stored, or we can say the spermatophores are stored. So sperms are formed over here. After that, they will pass to the seminal vesicle via the vas deferens. Okay, seminal vesicle से फिर ये चले जाएंगे ejaculatory duct में, and during copulation they will be released by this thing. इसे हम बोलते हैं मेन गोनोफोर. सो जो मेल गोनोफोर है इसे सराउंड कौन करेगा? यहाँ पर हमने पढ़ा था this chitinous plate like structure will surround the male gonophore, which is called as the phelomere. Okay, so it will be surrounded like this. Okay, and in NCERT some other things are also mentioned. There is pseudopenis, which is present somewhat here. Pseudo means false, so obviously it is the false kind of penis. So these are some important things which you must remember in the male reproductive system of cockroach. Firstly, the sperms will be produced in the testis. उसके बाद वो वास्ट डिफरेंस से होकर जाएंगी सेमिनल वसाइकल में. Seminal vesicle will be having central small tubules and peripheral large tubules. After that वहां से ejaculatory duct से sperm होते हुए मेल गोनोपोर से बाहर, और जो मेल गोनोपोर है उसको सराउंड कौन करेगा? मेल गोनेपोफाइसिस यानी कि आपका फेलोमेयर. Alright. So these are some important points about the male reproductive system. Now female reproductive system रहता है, और उसके बाद how the development takes place in case of cockroach. So I hope that this is clear and this is more than sufficient. In some coaching notes काफी ज़्यादा दिया हुआ है, but this topic is like most important. इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ ये भी बात है कि NCERT से बाहर ये टॉपिक नहीं जाने वाला है. Alright, so we should go to some extra extent, somewhat like some extra information other than NCERT in only those topics जहाँ से बाहर से सच में questions आते हैं. For example, अगर photosynthesis है उसमें आप NCERT से थोड़ा extra पढ़ते हैं, so that is good for you because some questions may be asked from the outer NCERT sections. लेकिन यहाँ पर जो है वैसा कुछ झमेला है नहीं, so हम NCERT पढ़ेंगे तो भी हमारे concepts clear हो जाएंगे. So I hope that you got this video very well. अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आए then do hit like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for sure. Thank you so much guys.